Hey, it's Matt from Growpeppers Zone 6. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks to all the new subscribers, and if you get a second, if you're not a subscriber, give it a little click down at the bottom and subscribe, please. Thank you. All right, let's get to the peppers. This is the cherry bomb. I planted 2 in these guys. You can see the good progress on this. Pretty sure I have some peppers down in here too. Here's the other cherry bomb. I know he's got a pepper on him. Beautiful that is. Okay, my underachiever, my Chinese 5 color, but man, look how pretty that is. Oh, check that out. Little orange guy right there. Beautiful. I think I'm gonna make this into a bocce plant since obviously it's not gonna get that tall. And these are the King Star Lemon Starburst. Look how beautiful those plants look. So green this year. Must be doing something right. There's a little pepper there. And these 3 guys right here are the Carolina Reapers. Boy, they got really big, didn't they? Don't know if there's any peppers on these. Plenty of flowers though. These little guys, these 2 right here, these are the latecomers. These are the Sugar Rush Red. You can see they're already starting to jump right up. Look at that. And these 3 are Tabasco, coming along nicely. The other Tabasco I isolated because it has some bugs on it and I was trying to fix everything. So me and Ted are just cruising through here, checking out these. These are Jay's Peach Ghost. Looking pretty good. And wait till you see what's in the greenhouse. Wow, well, hoop house. Things have really gotten big in here. Got the door open so it's easy transition and ta-da! Look at this, I have some red cayenne peppers already. Awesome. And as you can see, I have an automatic drip system going now. Now these emitters, you can either put them here at the end, or what I decided to do with the rest of them is put them here and then attach a tube to it and then attach it with these stakes and put it right there. I have this watering once a day right now because the temperature is going to be 97 today, and it gets so hot in here. They're drinking the water, it's handling it, everything looks great. But definitely I like this way of doing the emitters on the direct 1/2-inch tube and then a 1/4-inch tube to a stake. Man, these habaneros are huge. I don't think my halves were ever this big. Look at the stem on this. Wow, that's a huge stem. So these habaneros are looking great. Cayennes are looking great. These Ring of Fires. Wow, it's like a jungle in here. Lots of peppers. Highly recommend automatic drip system. This was a lifesaver because watering all these peppers is quite a chore. So let's go outside now and check out what else I have going on. Now these guys are in the shade right now. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, but the sun's gonna be hitting them in about 30 minutes and this whole row here will be covered in sunshine. So these are the jalapenos and the jalapenos lemon spice, and I'll find out which one's which when they turn yellow and turn red. Oh, I'm sorry, this one right here is a small sweet pepper, but these 4 here are the jalapenos. Looking pretty good. If you've been watching me grow these, you can see I've had a lot of great progress. And this guy here, oh wow. This is the Brazilian starfish, yeah. 2 of these guys, they already got a pepper coming. Remember last year that I had such a hard time getting these to germinate and grow, but this year, just the opposite. They're doing great. And the poblanos, this is the only poblano I got to germinate, but as you can see, it's doing pretty good. Got some peppers coming on it. And then this little guy, my Scotch bonnets, which I didn't even think I was gonna get these going this year. They had a hard time germinating as well, but as you can see, don't give up. Got a pepper going on there right now. Let's see what's going on with this guy. Can't pronounce this. Malapakia, something like that. It's a lot like a cherry bomb or a Trinidad hot cherry. You can see one growing right here. There. They're supposed to be good for stuffing. And the 7-pot bubble gum. We're giving him a try again this year. Red Savannah. These 2 right here. Coming along nicely, look like I have a lot of flowers. I just fed these guys some, bone meal or blood meal. Can't remember. I'll have to check the package. But it's phosphorus. It's not a lot of nitrogen. It's just mainly for blooming and for budding and stuff like that, which is happening right now. This guy is my ahi mango, the only one I have growing. It's doing pretty good. I expect it to be a little bit bigger by now, but that's okay. Yeah, these things grow really good. And then this is ridiculous. Sugar Rush Peach. As soon as I put it out here, it started producing peppers. And I picked a couple off, but they just kept coming. So I'm just gonna let it go and keep doing what it's doing. These two guys right here are the ahi lemons, which two plants I probably didn't need to grow because I have so much ahi lemon dust still from the last couple years I've been growing them. They're very prolific, so if you grow these, you don't have to grow a lot of them. And then these guys, these last 9 right here are the rusticos. And I picked a couple off of them because they were getting, you know, a little too early, but man, there's dozens of peppers on here. As you can see, they get really big and turn red, and they're gonna look so awesome. Gonna be good grilled in sauces or just straight up eating them off the vine. It's a nice, beautiful shot of everything. Thanks for watching the update. Happy growing, everyone.